Hello, my name's Lissy from Motor Match Stafford, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Mercedes-Benz E Class 3.0 E53 MHEV EQ Boost AMG Premium Plus SpdS TCT 4MATIC+. This vehicle is a petrol automatic, is ULEZ compliant and is finished in selenite grey metallic. To start off with then, you have your multi-beam LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch AMG 5 twin-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing the selenite grey exterior colour. You also have privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area, ensuring any passengers or belongings travelling with you have the privacy they desire. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can find that you've got a substantial amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps several bags of shopping. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black Napa leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel and infotainment system, and as we pan round again, you can find that lovely upholstery, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. The front seats in this vehicle are both electronically adjustable, as well as being memory seats, allowing you to resume that comfortable driving position every time you enter the vehicle. And as well as this, you also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at your dash, you can see that this vehicle has done 36,609 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, allowing you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. Along with this, you also have your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. And you also have a rear view camera, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have your dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust the airflow and the airflow direction. This has been a presentation on a Mercedes-Benz E Class 3.0 E53 MHEV EQ Boost AMG Premium Plus SpdS TCT 4MATIC+ that is now available to purchase from Motor Match Stafford. For more information, please contact us.